Here we have a 2019 19-plate Mercedes-Benz A35 AMG 4MATIC Premium Plus. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in satin black with the silver outer lip. We have your LED headlights. We have the aero package on this vehicle, so you get the black front splitter with the canards, rear boot spoiler there as well. Now with the black aero pack you do get the black accents around this vehicle, so you get the black accents along the bottom of the side skirt. You get your black windscreen with privacy glass on the rear, panoramic sunroof which is currently open. Now you do get front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera, dual exhaust flush and a rear bumper, and also the rear diffuser. To open the boot you'll be able to see this vehicle does come with a nice spacious size boot for the size of the vehicle. Now there's a quick look at that rear boot spoiler. It really does make this car stand out from the rest, especially with that yellow exterior paintwork. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and does look superb from every angle. Go to the rail show bits of the interior. As you can see we do have the full leather seats throughout in black with the ISOFIX points pull down armrest and your storage units behind the passenger driver's seat. Electric windows on the doors with your premium integrated Burmester sound system. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat with the extended thigh support. Now both driver and passenger are fully heated, electric and memory. You have your electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, and again your premium integrated Burmester sound system. Jumping inside the car, looking just down there, you have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, you have keyless start from a touch of a button. Multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. You also have your touchpads on either side. One on the right hand side controls the screen in front of me, and one on the left hand side controls the screen in the centre. Now as you can see this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 18,880 miles. Looking up there you can see your heads up display which changes when you go through your different drive modes. Now the screen in front of me, now it is fully customizable, so the dials on the right and on the left hand side can be changed to suit your driver preferences. As you can see just there, all the different settings. You can also have the satellite navigation map there. So going to the left hand side you also have a different informations just there as well. Now if I click home and go over to styles and displays, you can also change the look of it, so you can go from classic to sport, and from sport you can also go to super sport, gives it a racing look with your rev counters. Then from that go back to styles and displays and go on understated, which is a very minimalistic look. Now I like to keep it on sport. Now you can also change the heads up display as well, so you can change the layout of that. I'm going to leave it just like that at the moment. As you can see, a few different to choose from. It's entirely up to your preferences which one you have. I like to keep it on that one. Now the screen in the centre, now it is a fully touch screen. You can also use the touchpad just there, and also the control panel down here. You can see your satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth, you have your DAB radio with your Bluetooth media, USB and online music. You also have your Bluetooth phone connectivity just there. You get different drive modes, so start at Sports Plus. You also have Sport, Comfort, Individual and Slippery. Now Slippery gives you reduced engine power, so it is a lot easier to control in those slippery conditions. Click on home, you can see all the different settings we have here. Go to Comfort, you have your seat kinetics just there, and you also have your ambient lighting. Now you can choose from a wider range of colours on the ambient lighting, so you have all these different settings just there. You can also have it on one solid colour, or you can have it on a single colour. Going back off that, you also have your AMG Performance, you have your apps. So going that you can find you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built into this vehicle. Pop the car into reverse, you can see the rear reversing camera with your front and rear parking sensors just on the right hand side. Now coming down here, you've got the ambient lighting all over the interior of this vehicle, a lot easier to see at night. We have your vents currently going red. If I turn down the temperature, they then glow blue. Turn up the temperature, they then glow red. Very nice addition to have. Gloss black trim all over the interior of this vehicle. Push is open, wireless charging, USB-C port, 2 nice sized cup holders. Control panel just down here with different drive modes just there. We have your different suspension settings just there as well. And you also have your manual mode. So on the suspension settings you do have Sports Plus, Comfort and also Sport. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat with the extended fire support and also the heated seats function, which both work exactly how you would expect it to. You can see the ambient lighting just there as well. Panoramic sunroof currently open, touch the button just there, it will then close, and I'll show you the process of it closing so it works exactly how you would expect it to. Now when it is down, just like so, push up on that control panel and then also go on tilt. So if you don't fancy having it all the way open, you can have it like that and pull it down again, and then the blinds will then close, and as you can see, working exactly how you would expect it to. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.